Welcome to the world of wild animals. In today's video, we will showcase one of the most thrilling conflicts in the animal kingdom, the battle between the lion and the African buffalo. We will dive into the details of this conflict and explore the strategies of both predator and prey, and how these dynamics affect the ecosystem. Stay tuned for more excitement. The lion, known as the king of the jungle, is one of the largest predators in the African savanna. The lion is part of the big cat family and is distinguished by its strength and courage. Lions live in groups known as prides, where they cooperate in hunting and defending their territory. Lions feed on a variety of animals, including buffalo. The lion has a distinctive hunting style that relies on planning and coordination. Sometimes the lion uses tricks to deceive its prey, hiding in tall grass and approaching slowly. Big cats are also social animals, with mothers playing an important role in raising the young and teaching them hunting techniques. Big cats live in a variety of environments, from open savannas to dense forests, which makes them able to adapt to different conditions. The African buffalo is one of the largest herbivores in the savanna. It is distinguished by its massive size and weight, which can reach up to 0 kilograms. The buffalo has strong, sharp horns, making it a formidable opponent for any predator. Buffalo live in herds, which increases their chances of survival. Buffalo have a strong social sense, cooperating with the rest of the herd to ensure their safety. When they sense danger, they gather together and form a circle to protect their young. Buffalo rely on grasses and plants for food and are considered an essential part of the ecosystem. In addition, buffalo possess endurance in harsh environments, which helps them survive under difficult conditions. Despite their large size, buffalo can move quickly when needed, which increases their chances of escaping predators. Let's take a look at some exciting moments when a lion faces off against the African buffalo. Imagine a herd of buffalo grazing in the savanna. When a group of big cats is spotted sneaking through the grass, the buffalo begin to sense danger, but instead of fleeing, they gather together. As those big cats get closer, they start to watch the herd cautiously. The big cats use their own tactics, with some of them distracting the buffalo, while others try to pounce. The buffalo, thanks to its strength and horns, faces the lion bravely. Exciting moments appear when the lion attacks one of the herd members. The buffalo does not retreat, but instead moves toward the lion and uses its strength to defend itself. These moments show how the buffalo can be courageous when facing predators. Big cats use complex strategies when trying to hunt African buffalo. Planning. Before the attack, the big cats observe the herd and identify the weak individuals. They study the buffalo's behavior to understand when and how they can attack. Stalking. The lion approaches the buffalo quietly, taking advantage of camouflage in the environment. It uses grass and trees to hide. Surprise attack. When the big cats get close enough, they launch themselves quickly at the buffalo, trying to catch one of the individuals at a moment of weakness. Cooperation. Sometimes, the big cats work as a team, with one lion distracting the buffalo while the other tries to pounce on one of the weaker individuals. The African buffalo is not just an easy prey, but actually has strong strategies to defend itself. The block. When the buffalo are threatened, they gather in a circle to protect their young. The buffalo cooperate together to face any danger. Strength and horns. Buffalo possess great strength and sharp horns, which enable them to confront predators. The buffalo can deliver powerful blows to the lion if it approaches their young. Speed. Despite their large size, buffalo can move quickly when needed, which helps them escape or attack. Alertness. Buffalo use sounds and movements to warn the herd of danger, increasing their chances of survival. One member of the herd keeps watch over the surrounding area and gives warnings if there is any danger. This struggle between the lion and the buffalo has effects on the ecosystem as a whole. Population control. When the lion succeeds in hunting buffalo, it helps regulate the numbers of these animals, preventing a population explosion. Biodiversity. This interaction affects the diversity of species in the savanna, as both the lion and the buffalo are considered integral parts of the ecosystem. Ecological balance. These dynamics influence the balance of the ecosystem with both the lion and the buffalo being vital components of the environment. Adaptation. As a result of this struggle, both the lion and the buffalo develop survival strategies, which enhances the diversity of their behaviors. The conflict between the lion and the African buffalo demonstrates how every living creature plays a vital role in the ecosystem, from courage and strength to defensive strategies. The buffalo is a great example of how to face dangers. The lion and the buffalo. In the African savanna, there is a constant struggle between the lion and the buffalo. The lion uses strategies of planning and cooperation when hunting, while the buffalo gather in groups to protect their young. This dynamic shows how each species adapts to the challenges it faces. In today's video, we will explore an exciting topic, the struggle for survival in the animal kingdom. We will discuss how animals adapt to their environment, their survival strategies, and how these dynamics affect the ecosystem as a whole. Stay with us to discover the secrets of nature and the ingenuity of animals in facing challenges. The struggle for survival is a concept that refers to the efforts living creatures make to stay alive and reproduce in their environment. In the animal world, the struggle for survival is a fundamental matter that involves many strategies and adaptations. Animals are affected by numerous factors, including the availability of food, water, and other resources, and they are also exposed to the dangers of predators and changing environments. The struggle for survival requires both physiological and behavioral adaptations, as animals strive to improve their chances of survival. Different forms of the struggle for survival appear across species, from hunting and catching prey to seeking shelter and protecting the young. This struggle is not limited to wild animals only, which makes the animal world full of challenges and adventures. The struggle for survival has significant effects on the ecosystem as a whole. Here are some of the ways this struggle has an impact. Ecological balance. The struggle for survival helps maintain balance among different species. When predators succeed in controlling the numbers of their prey, they prevent population explosions and help preserve biodiversity. Evolutionary adaptations. Over time, the challenges animals face lead to new developments. These adaptations can include changes in behavior, form, or even genetic makeup, which contributes to the evolution of species. Life cycles. The dynamics of the struggle for survival also affect life cycles. For example, in the case of an increase in predator numbers, this may lead to a decrease in prey numbers, allowing for a shift in the natural balance. The struggle for survival affects the food chain in the ecosystem. Each species plays an important role in this chain, as the population of each species affects the others. With climate change and the degradation of natural habitats, the struggle for survival faces new challenges. The loss of natural habitats, pollution, and human activities impact animals' ability to survive. Here are some challenges that may affect the struggle for survival. Habitat loss, deforestation, urban expansion, and intensive agriculture lead to the loss of natural habitats. This makes it difficult for animals to find food and shelter. Climate change. Climate change affects weather patterns and available resources, making it harder for animals to adapt to new conditions. Human activities. Poaching, overhunting, and environmental pollution threaten the survival of many species. These activities lead to a decline in animal populations and affect ecological balance. Big cats are a group of predators. These animals are considered some of the most powerful predators in their environment, as they possess physical strength and courage that enable them to hunt prey larger than themselves. Big cats live either in groups or alone, and they rely on different hunting strategies. They live in prides and use cooperation when hunting. In the end, the struggle for survival between big cats and wild animals becomes evident. It shows how every living creature plays a vital role in the ecosystem, from courage and strength to defensive strategies. This struggle is considered an essential part of wildlife. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content about the animal world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.